Hello again. Fox News just reported that a 2-hour timer was found in the wreckage of the Russian Airbus 321. The plane blew up 20 minutes into the flight. So if a 2-hour timer was put on that plane, an hour and 40 minutes prior is when that timer was set. You know, you really have to wonder how sick people must be to knowingly watch people board an airplane, watch children board that airplane, when they know they've put a bomb on that airplane that'll kill everyone on that airplane. The only people that could do something like that are the followers of that peaceful and loving cult, the followers of the Satanic Islam. Nobody else in their right minds could do anything like that. This is the same peaceful, loving religion that Hillary Rotten Clinton, the front runner for the Democratic Party, spoke about when she was lying to the American people in the Rose Garden. If you want to know what people will do in their future, look at their past. As Hillary herself said, "What difference does it make?" It seems not to make a whole lot of difference to whacked out Democrats. It seems not to make a whole lot of difference to the followers of that satanic cult called Islam. The question now is that definitive proof has been found. What is the president of Russia going to do to retaliate against these evil, twisted, demented, inbred savages?